Friends, myself Ankur Kumar Singh. I am going to construct a C++ program to create a class called the musician to contain a three method of the music instrument as a string, wind and arpeg and each. Each of these methods should be initialize a string array to contain the following instrument veena, guitar and sitar. The method using the under the string the field will contain a different type of object as a string should also display the content of the array of initializing to create a derived class called type instrument to contain the method called getter and so and to get a method music display as a means of the following type of instrument to display the string instrument to be wind instrument precise instrument to show the method should be display the review details according to our choice. The base of the class must be accessed only by the derived class. Now you will see the program. In this we take a class as a musician and under the protected class we give a instrument and initialize the size of the instrument to behold. After that public inside the public you then take a function as the void string. After the string you use a structure a string copy to we use the string copy as string copy as instrument and veena and different type of the veena, guitar, sitar, strato and bird. All we take the string of the different type of object. After that we are taking another function void wind, the different type of flutes the sound for the different of instrument. First we are taking the instrument as a flute, second instrument as a clarinet, saxophone and the flute. After that we are taking a third function as a void PRC void. Different return types function we are taking this one. Inside this we are taking a different type of message as tabla and drums and tablas. After that we are taking another part another function part so for to be circulate in the loop you are taking a loop to int 0 and less than 5 and I plus plus. After that you are giving a statement the C out instrument and the I will be the size of the array. After that you are taking the class type instrument and the public musician. After that we are taking a public void get data to get the data from the user. After that we are taking instrument, wind instrument and different type of instrument, string, wind and precise instrument. After that we are taking the another function void so int class. After that we are taking a class to use a different type of function to divide the to take the flute instrument and the other type of string instrument and the wind instrument and the precision instrument. In that first we are taking the musician, we are calling the class using the scope resolution to show. After that we are coming out of the class and taking the another class for the wind instrument. After that we are taking a third class for the musician precise instrument. After that another choice will be default and that will be the wrong input. After that inside the main you are doing the operation to integer type you are taking a data and entering the choice and after that you are calling the function t2 so after that we communicate then you will see the output. First one for the string, for the second for wind and third for pressure. First will enter the choice. Enter the choice one the veena, guitar, sitar and stroke. These all are the string instrument. Third will be say and then you see third for the precious instrument. That is how this is working. It will showing all the precision instrument like a tabla, mridangam, drums and so. and again we will go for that's all about the program. Thank you.